Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla SE. This is a 5-passenger sedan in classic silver, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of our great exterior features include our aggressive front redesign, turn signals on the side mirrors, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we will get to in just a moment. Like I mentioned, this Corolla does have a proximity smart key system. So if you got your key fob in your pocket, we can lock the vehicle by pressing these 2 lines. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle. And before we look inside, just to quickly show you in the mirror here that the Corolla does have a blind spot monitor. Inside the door here, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And on the bottom, you have some storage space. This Corolla is equipped with all-weather mats and black sport cloth seating. On the bottom, you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside. Start it up. Just push that clutch in, and then press that engine start button right behind the wheel there. First things first is we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster right here will allow you to navigate through the multi-information display. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. And your cruise control speed settings are in this circle here. If we move on to our screen, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any audio that's playing, any device that's connected. On the right side, you got your trip information. We can just press that and look at that. If we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, there is that backup camera. Down below is our climate control system. Nice and simple. You got these nice smooth turning dials, of course, for your temperature and your intensity. Moving underneath that, we have some storage space here as well as your driver and passenger heated seats. And the best feature of all is the 6-speed manual transmission shifter. And behind that, you will find your electronic parking brake as well as your 2 cup holders. Now before we move to the cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back here. On the bottom, you have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and the black sport cloth seating as well. If we move inside in the center here, we can pull this piece down, giving you access to 2 cup holders and a little armrest. Helping us inside is our key fob. We can just press that 3rd button and that trunk will open for us, nice and easy. Taking a look in the back here, we can see that there's plenty of cargo space in the back of the sedan. The rear seats do fold down as well. That'll give you that extra bit of room. We can also lift this bottom piece up, and that gives you access to your tools to change your spare tire, which is located right underneath, in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 6-speed manual transmission, Bluetooth compatibility, and heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.